Drawing a dog portrait is easier than you think. In this video I show you the whole process step by step. Hello, my name is Sina. Welcome to this channel. My goal on this channel is to teach you how you can make creations like illustrations and designs. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's totally free, and then we can start with this video. I made a sketch already, and here I use some brushes from Woolly. These brushes are free. I made this drawing a year ago I think, but I wanna show you the process anyway. I take a black color and then I color the dog in. It is important that you do not lift your pencil from the canvas, because you get some darker parts on the drawing, because you overlay these two parts, if that makes sense. On my drawing are some parts a little bit darker, but we will fix that later. I smudge the darker parts on the drawing a bit with the smudge tool. Don't forget to set your smudge tool to the watercolor brush. Then I erase the parts outside the outline from the sketch. Then I draw the darkest parts on the dog and the lightest parts of the dog, so the shadows and highlights. After this, I take a brown-orange color for the nose and the eyebrows. And then I draw the nose of the dog. This part I forgot to record the voiceover, so I put this in now in this video. I take a black color for this and I draw the highlights and the shadows on the nose. And a pink color for the tongue of the dog. Here I draw the highlights of the dog, so I take a lighter color and yeah, then I draw the highlights. add some more details to the dog. And then I start with eyes. I use also a brown orange color for the inside of the eye and black color for the pupil and a white color for the highlight in the eye. I use a lot of layers for this drawing, if you can see, and for the background I use another brush from this brush pack, and I draw with the same colors of the dog, so the black color and the brown orange color, and then I group these layers of the dog to one group so that I can draw under these layers. That was it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.